Hey, welcome my friend to video 3 of the 7-day Limitless Lifestyle Way video series. In this video, I'm going to be covering the marketing system to create the limitless lifestyle. And it's a super simple system. Hopefully it won't take too long in this video and you're going to see exactly the whole system and the things that you need to be able to build it. So this is video 2, like I said there, where we're going to be talking a little bit tactical, okay? So I'm going to show you the two things that's going to bring the marketing system together. It's the only two things that you need to be able to build this marketing system, okay? And it's basically the marketing engine, like we talked about in the last video. And the first thing that we're going to need in building this marketing engine is we're going to need a funnel builder, okay? And this is where we're going to build a custom front door, okay? And we're going to send all our traffic to the custom front door. And we're going to build this in a software that I'm going to leave a link to below. And we're going to jump into using the software and how to connect them up in the next video. Alright, so this is kind of what the marketing system is going to look like for the funnel builder. So we're going to have here that you can see traffic, and the traffic is going to be all getting sent to our landing page, which is going to be our custom front door. Then the landing page is going to lead to the offer. So here we're going to be building an email list, and then after they opt in, which is really important, we're going to send them to the offer, and the offer is where we make money, and then we're going to make some money, okay my friend? And with the custom front door, everyone's is going to be a little bit different, okay? For a different niche, it's going to be a different niche for a different vehicle, things like that there. So depending on what market you're going to be in, your front door is going to be custom to that market, okay? And from the landing page, we're going to be taking people to our offer, okay? And where the offer is where we're going to make money, okay my friend? And this is system 1. System 1 is we're going to send traffic to our landing page, which we're going to use. This is the system that we're going to build. The traffic is the fuel, the landing page is the start of the engine, and it's the custom front door. And the landing page is going to lead to the offer, and then the offer is going to lead to money, okay my friend? And this is what we're going to be building out. Okay, then the second system is our email autoresponder, okay? And see, what we're going to do is we're going to be different than what everybody else is doing right now. So I don't know if you've noticed this or seen it before, but a lot of people out there right now, they build a website and they send all their traffic to it, and they just basically waste money, okay? They miss that very first step, which is the landing page here that you can see. This is what they're missing. They're just sending traffic, basically wasting money, and they're wasting money, pouring a whole bunch of money down the drain because they're missing out this step. And I don't want this for you, my friend, okay? I want you to save money, as much money as possible, building your internet business, maximize the amount of money that you're going to use so that you can yield the most amount of results, okay? And that's why it's so important that we're going to be sending people to a landing page, the custom front door, our marketing engine. It's going to fuel, it's going to drive the vehicle that you decide that you want to promote, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to capture an email address where we can market to people later on without having to pay a whole bunch of money that we did to advertise to them in the first place. Now that they've raised their hand and says, I'm interested in what you've got, we know that these people are pre-qualified and interested in what we have to offer. So we can send out little emails and bring them back to our offer or a different site and different things like this here at a fraction of the price it cost us to get them there in the first place. It's very important to have this landing page, and we're going to integrate it with the autoresponder system, okay? And this is the email autoresponder, and this is where we're going to build a list. We're going to send out emails and automation and through broadcasts, and we're going to send them to different offers, different pages and different websites, okay? And the second system, the email autoresponder, is where we build an email list, okay? And this is so cool because it's kind of like what Facebook done, but it's a little bit different. It's kind of like we're building our own little database like Mark Zuckerberg done. Why is Facebook so valuable yet it's free? It's because it has all this information about people so that marketers like you and me can pay some money to get in front of these people and market to them, okay? And we pay Mark Zuckerberg that money. Now, we can actually build our own database that we have internally, and we can do market to our own email list and provide value and things like that there. So it's really cool. It's kind of like what Facebook done. And this is the second system that we're going to have. We're going to have an email list, okay, which is going to have an autoresponder in it, and we're going to build out a little email sequence, okay, a little email autoresponder sequence, and it's going to send people emails, little promotional emails and value emails, and this is where it's going to make money. And this is going to send out emails, like I said, by day 0, maybe day 2, day 4, etc. Whatever way you want to set it up, you can have emails going out every single day, okay? And it's going to send them out for you on automation without you having to physically write an email every single day, okay, to each person every time they opt in your email list. It's going to do that on automation for you, my friend. And that's going to take people back to either, like I said, an offer or a different type of page that I call a sticky page. And it's going to be really, really cool, my friend. I'm going to show you how to do this here. Now, what we're going to do in this video is we're going to create our 2 accounts, and we'll leave the links to the accounts below, okay? And coming up in the next video, I'm going to show you how do we actually link these 2 accounts together, so that when someone opts into our autoresponder or opts into our landing page, it automatically goes into our email autoresponder, and then our autoresponder system takes over, starts working on our behalf. Okay, my friend, I'm going to show you that in the next video. And this is basically the system here. So this is traffic, which is our fuel, and this is the marketing engine, and we're going to send traffic to our landing page. And then in the next video, we're going to connect our landing page with our autoresponder software, so that every time someone opts in here, they automatically go into this software, and this software starts going out and sending emails for us, taking people back so we can make money. And this is basically the whole system, my friend. Hope that you learned something into this video, or you got a little bit of clarity of what actually is the marketing system and what is the engine that's going to drive the sales, the leads and sales for the vehicle that you're going to promote. Okay, and this was it. Like I said, keep an eye out for the next video coming out, where I'm going to show you inside both of the softwares and how we actually link them together, so it can go to work for you on your behalf while you're not even there, and you can work on your business rather than working in your business, my friend. Okay, so what I've done for you is I'm going to leave a link below to the Limitless Lifestyle Blueprint, and so you can actually speed up your process, your learning curves, and you can master the Limitless Lifestyle way in a lot shorter period of time. So I'm going to leave the link to the Limitless Lifestyle Blueprint below. You can enroll in the course as well if you want, and it's going to help you with speed and actually learning the Limitless Lifestyle way, because the principles that we're talking about in this 7-day series basically is the foundations of what's inside that course. And inside the course, we're going to cover everything to do with the Limitless Lifestyle business. We're going to be covering a whole bunch more stuff than what I can cover with you in these short 7 videos. Okay, my friend, so I'm going to leave that link below, and you're going to want to watch out for the next video, where I'm going to show you how you actually get these 2 softwares to talk to each other and complete your marketing system, my friend. Hope to see you in the next video. Have a great one, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.